Have you ever pondered what your role might be in the grand symphony of the Earth's climate? The truth is, we are all players in this cosmic orchestra, and the music we make together is shaping the world we live in. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It is here and it is real. The facts are undeniable. The Earth's average temperature has risen by more than 1 degree Celsius since the late 19th century, a change driven largely by human activities. This might sound insignificant, but even a small increase in global temperature can have profound effects on our planet. Take the polar ice caps, for instance. The rate of ice melt in places like Greenland and Antarctica has nearly tripled in the last 20 years. As this ice melts, it contributes to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities around the world. But climate change doesn't just mean melting ice and rising seas. It also means more extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves. These events can have devastating effects on human life, causing displacement and loss of livelihoods. The impacts of climate change also extend to the natural world. Changes in temperature and rainfall patterns can disrupt ecosystems, threatening the survival of countless species. The loss of these species can have knock-on effects, disrupting food chains and affecting biodiversity. The situation might seem dire, but it's not too late to act. Around the world, individuals, communities, and governments are taking steps to mitigate the impacts of climate change. These actions range from reducing greenhouse gas emissions, to promoting renewable energy, to protecting and restoring forests. The climate crisis is not just an environmental issue, it's a human issue. It's about our survival and the survival of the planet we call home. The decisions we make today will shape the world for generations to come. In summary, climate change is a complex issue with far-reaching impacts. It's driven by human activities and is already affecting communities around the world. But there is hope. By taking action now, we can mitigate the worst impacts of climate change and build a more sustainable future. The challenge is great, but so is our capacity for innovation and change. It's time to step up and play our part in the symphony of the Earth.